In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download and install the eBay mobile app. Whether you're looking to browse, buy, or sell on the go, getting the app is a fantastic way to access eBay's extensive marketplace from your mobile device. So let's get started. First, you'll need to head over to your mobile web browser. This is the starting point for downloading the app efficiently. In your browser's address bar, type in the URL pages.ebay.com/mobile app. This webpage is your direct gateway to installing the eBay mobile app, both for iOS and Android users. Once you've navigated to this page, you'll notice it's designed to provide all the details you need about the app. It's all about ensuring you have seamless mobile access to eBay's vast array of items anytime you wish. Next, we'll scroll down towards the bottom of the page. This is where you'll find crucial links for app installation. Here, you'll see prominent buttons that clearly indicate App Store for Apple devices and Google Play for Android devices. These buttons are your quick links that will take you directly to the specific download page for your device's operating system. Click on the corresponding button based on the type of device you're using. Once you've clicked the appropriate button, you will be redirected to either the App Store for iPhones and iPads or the Google Play Store for Android devices. This step is essential as it connects you directly with the official marketplace for apps on your device, ensuring that you're downloading the legitimate eBay app straight from a trusted source. It's always a smart idea to confirm that the app's developer is indeed eBay Inc. to guarantee authenticity and security. When you're on the store page, you'll find the installation process clearly marked with an Install or Get button. Go ahead and tap on this button. If you're using an Apple device, you might be prompted to enter your Apple ID credentials or use Face ID or Touch ID for verification. Android users might need to sign in with a Google account if not already logged in. This verification step is commonplace and simply ensures each download is tracked to keep your apps and data safe. After initiating the installation, the app will begin downloading to your device. The time it takes can vary based on your internet speed, but usually it's a quick process. Once the download is complete, the app will install automatically, leaving you with an eBay icon on your home screen ready to tap open. With the app installed, you're all set to explore eBay directly from your mobile device. Open the app, sign into your account, or create a new one if you're not already an eBay member. Now you're free to start shopping, selling, and browsing to your heart's content, all from the convenience of your phone. Congratulations on successfully installing the eBay mobile app.